Ooh, I got some sort of old buckle, I think.
You are the man. Look at that.
What'd you get? Oh, cool.
Look at the back though. It's got a like a motif on it.
Oh, nice.
I don't know how old it is, but it's pretty old. Looks like it's a furniture thing.
Yeah, it could be like a
chest.
an escutcheon. Is that what they
Yeah.
call it? I think. Probably, actually.
That's old though.
Yeah, that is. That's cool.
That pattern. That's got to be mid-1800s maybe.
It looks like hand-tooled little circles they pounded in it.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat.
She's gonna like that. You got a buckle?
Yeah. Some sort of buckle.
That's cool.
I don't think it's a shoe buckle.
Really?
No, I don't think it's one.
Oh. The brass?
Yeah, ring up. Yeah, ring up kind of like where a copper penny would. But it's just not quite high enough for a dime. So.
You have a big one.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, horse tack.
Yeah. Cool.
That makes a lot of sense. She's gonna love seeing that.
Blowing.
Ah, we got the ring. I think this is old though.
Yeah, that's definitely old. That's, I don't know, I couldn't date. I mean, it's got to be before the mid-1800s, don't you
I
think?
would think. It's got to be at least that old.
Yeah.
We are going to this thing today, but we found a new spot, but this one should be an old tadpole.
Old tab.
It's kind of neat. It's like it's kind of just thin metal circle, but it's got like a lettering on it, you know, like a big script letters.
How deep was it?
Real shallow. You know, an inch or two.
Okay. Strange.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think what it is.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Huh.
Different.
Yeah. That's interesting. Neat little fleur-de-lis on the top. Very cool. Awesome. Looks like a broken stone in the middle. Neat. I find these from time to time. Little geocache. Cool, let's see what we got. Smile, Jesus loves you. Original beef jerky chew. Well. Cool. Hey. Good. Another geocache in this tree.
What's that?
Another geocache in this tree.
No kidding.
Yeah. Remember we found that other one a couple months back too?
No kidding.
Yeah, right in there.
You just have to sign it, put it back.
Yeah, I didn't sign it, but I just didn't want to take my gloves off. But
That's cool.
you can sign it if you want. But yeah, it's kind of neat. Oh, I had a cool find.
Oh, really?
Relic find, yeah.
Nice.
Check this out. It's a pin.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Oh, that's Victorian looking. That's really cool looking. Look at that. Still got the stone in it too.
Yeah. At first I kind of looked at the back, I thought it was a suspender clip, and then I turned it over and it's
At first
definitely
it
a
looks
pin.
like it was silver, but it looks like it's just, it's brass, but it looks like it was gilded.
Yeah, maybe.
Because you can see the gild in there.
Oh yeah.
Cool, man. That's a nice, look at that fleur-de-lis.
Yeah.
The French.
Yep. So I thought, I was pretty happy with that. I thought that was really
That's
cool.
awesome. Where'd you find that?
Just behind that the hole there
Wow.
on the back side of it.
Nice.
I mean, there's a lot of big crap in there, so I think that turned people off to it if they were here before, you know. But
Nice. That's
yeah.
awesome find.
we did that one out. That was, yeah, I was pumped about that. It's cool. It seems like a little buckle or something with a piece of leather attached to it. Yeah, it looks like what it is. Okay, oh. Maybe a piece of the suspender clip. That's pretty neat. Guy lost his trousers. Cool. Oh, cool.
I found a couple cool relics.
Did you?
Yeah.
Out here?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah?
Just gonna wander around. It's kind of a weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
I'm trying to figure it all out.
Yeah, I don't know.
I found a buckle that I've never found that kind before. It's kind of cool.
Oh yeah.
Weird.
What does it look like?
Let me show it to you.
I found another like suspender clip over there with like leather still going through it and everything. It's kind of neat. Huh.
Weird, man.
Yeah.
It's cool looking.
It is. Some kind of suspender
It's old.
thing. I don't know what that's for. Do you?
No. I never seen something like that before. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah, nice.
Found this too. This got a pattern on it. Some kind of a bead. What?
Oh, check that out. That's pretty neat.
Yeah. cool. It's like an old heel tap. Shoe buckle frame. Wow. Awesome.